So here we have the Columbia Men's Ascender Softshell Jacket. This is 100% polyester. It has a polyester lining, zipper closures, it's machine washable, it's super comfortable, it has a nice stretch built into it. It's crafted from 100% polyester, like I said, so that offers the stretch. So this makes for a versatile jacket for hitting the trails or just going to the office. I tend to get one of these jackets, and it's usually my go-to jacket if it isn't too cold outside and if it isn't too hot outside. It's easy to toss on. You put it on, it feels like it's a part of you. You get things done, you have full maneuverability. It's very comfortable, it cuts the wind, it's just a great performance jacket that you come to expect from a brand like Columbia. So the zippers are pretty well built, they last a long time, and the zipper chest pocket is very convenient. I could stick my whole hand in there, which means I could fit my cell phone and wallet to keep it out of my pants, and put keys in there, anything that you need secured. It has the adjustable cuffs with a nice generous portion of Velcro. This way you could cinch them down tight, keep that wind, keep that snow out of your sleeves. And the zipper pockets are just in the right place to just relax in a comfortable position, and it has plenty of storage space, more than enough for a large hand and cell phones, wallets, keys. And the zipper on the chin guard, you zip the jacket all the way up, the collars come up to keep the wind and weather out and rain, and it has a little chin guard where the zipper is protected from touching your chin. And on the waist it has an adjustable hem strap. This way you can cinch it up, again keeping the wind and weather out. So this is a very versatile jacket, and you could be as warm as you want depending how you layer underneath it, or you could just wear it as a standalone jacket and be out on a nice day. So this is a great brand, a great product, and comes in a variety of colors, and it's one of my go-to jackets for everyday use.